So in this video we will just take a look at what is the slice type. Actually the slices is basically just separating or dividing a string or something, an array, into like multiple parts. So how we will do, okay, you can just understand using this diagram. Suppose we have a hello world, right? We have a value of hello and then space, then world. Spaces also carries some kind of like index and values. So if we want to separate these two words, we want hello and this we want world separate, then we can just what are the things that we can do inside the rest, we will just see. And you can see we have one string and a pointer focusing on that, and another pointer focusing on this. So basically what we are doing here is like separating using the length, right? We are calculating the index and we are having different variable or pointers pointing to like different indexes of the table inside the heap, or inside the stack we have different pointers just indicating the different indexes of the values of the table, right? So how we was just handle this in rest. Suppose we have let s is equals to string from hello. If we just calculate just instead of enumerations and that methodologies, we can just directly use it using and s, taking the reference of the s, and then using 0 dot dot this is these two dots will just arrange syntax. Okay, so it will just 2 is the index and 0 is the index. Thing will point like 0 hell, so 0 1 2 it will just print hell. Okay, that and dot dot 2 means from this 0 to up to 2. This one same thing, these two are the same thing. This is how we slice in the rust. It's a And this is how we just find the return function. The and is the reference address. Okay, so this is how we do. Example is already given in the main rust documentation page. It also works for like an array. We have passing the we have this such a long array of the 5 elements. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and we are printing 1 2 3. The print third position, this is the first position, is 2 to 5 should be printed. Sorry, not 2 to 5, we have the third position, right? 0 1 and 2 to 4 will be printed. And this is how we just slice different strings and values inside the rust. Okay, there is nothing more about it. There is more about like data types and enumerations that I think available in the that will look later in this tutorial videos. For now, this is how we just slice the any array or strings inside the rust. Thank you so much.